What if you could securely approve an SAP transaction without even opening SAP? Imagine receiving an email containing an SAP request. You review the material, the quantity, and the plant. Everything looks correct. Instead of opening SAP, you enter your unique reference code. Then click Approve. The SAP Mobility Engine verifies your authorization, records the approval, executes the SAP transaction, and automatically emails the result back. Fast, secure, fully auditable. That's enterprise automation with humans always in control.